Welcome back. Priscilla Presley, actress and ex-wife of singer Elvis Presley, is suing her former business partners for elder abuse, claiming they schemed to steal her money. Joining us today to help us understand the case is our legal analyst, Danielle Mayoris. Danielle, thanks for being on with us.
Thank you for having me.
So why did Priscilla Presley file this lawsuit?
It is a whole litany of things. I mean, these people isolated her from her prior advisors. They said they were deceitful. They then got a power of attorney from Priscilla, took over all of her personal and family trust, took 80% of her income. They even went so far as to have Priscilla pay for a mortgage on one of their spouse's homes. So this is pretty significant. She's suing to try and recover $1 million plus punitive damages, which, if all these allegations are accurate, should be awarded, most likely. And then she also wants all the contracts she did with them rescinded because they were obtained by fraud.
Whew. And the reason we are talking about this is because this is not exclusive to celebrities.
No, the great thing about when a celebrity like Presley is in the press, it raises awareness, is what we want. The sad thing is, statistics show that 1 in 10 individuals age 60 and over are victims to elder abuse every year. And we're not just talking financial, like what Presley's alleging. We're talking physical abuse, psychological abuse, and even sexual abuse. So this is a very real concern for all of our loved ones.
Getting more specific, what are some examples of elder abuse that people should be, really tuned in to looking for, and what can they do?
It usually starts out with someone being isolated, and that's one of the allegations Presley makes. So someone cuts off phone, email, visitation, and they really try and control the elderly individual. And when they do, they might be able to say things like, if you don't do X, Y, or Z, I'm going to put you in a nursing home, or I'm not going to take you to the doctor, give you your medicine. And sometimes this is financial, so they want to get added onto their will. There was just a case the Attorney General litigated recently dealing with this, where someone was embezzling money from an elder. Other times they're over-medicated. So it really runs the gamut, and it's a very, very sad epidemic that we have in this country.
Have to be so observant and diligent. Where can families report abuse if they suspect it?
Well, I think one of the important things is, if there is a situation where you suspect abuse, you can talk to an attorney and explore getting a guardianship and conservatorship, which is a court proceeding to protect vulnerable individuals, to try and regain control of that individual so the abuser is out of the picture. Beyond that, there's law enforcement. If there's an urgent situation, calling 911, adult protective services, and there's also state licensing. But I think a really great resource for families is that the state of Michigan has a hotline through the Attorney General's office. There's also an elder care locator through the National Center on Elder Abuse that families can call as well.
We always do our very best to squeeze in as much as we can in 3 minutes as possible, but inevitably, if people have follow-up questions, where can they go?
They can reach us at our law firm at brmmlaw.com.
Wonderful. Danielle, thanks so much.
Thank you, Rochelle. Appreciate it.